Hello, my little friends. Welcome to Dive into Pooja's Books. I'm Pooja, and today I'm going to read to you this best-selling storybook about Harry the Happy Mouse. So this is a book that will teach you about kindness. It will show you how a little bit of kindness goes a long way. So, what kind of kindness acts can you do? Think of it. Do you know? Just a bit of smiling and saying hello to the people you meet is an act of kindness. Complimenting someone, hey, you're looking good. Hey, your dress is beautiful. It is an act of kindness. What else? You can help someone in need. If you see someone is sad, please ask them what's wrong and what you can do to help. Help the poor, help the needy. So this is the act of kindness. And that is what we are going to see with this wonderful book today. So let us start. Harry the Happy Mouse. On the crest of a wave and the wisp of the wind, Harry the Happy Mouse was thinking good things. See, he's smiling, he's so happy, he's relaxing and he's thinking good things. Under a bridge, he lived with his wife. What a lovely day! Wow, this is the life. Every summer evening, after something to eat, he strolled along the stream to see who he would meet. The frogs, they did croak, and the birds, they did tweet. The dogs, they did bark, and the sheep, they did bleat. Across the stream, with a step and a jump, an extra long leap to get over a bump. He's enjoying his walk. Harry's favorite part of his long summer walks was meeting other animals and having long talks. See, he's meeting his friend Horse here and having a good long talk. One sunny evening, while walking along, he found a sad frog who was stuck on a log. Help me, I'm stuck, the frog shouted down. Quickly, Happy Mouse, I don't want to drown. When I jumped up, it didn't look high, so I'm up here, right up in the sky. See, he's stuck here and is asking Harry to help. What you think Harry will do now? Let's find out. Quick as a flash, Harry climbed to the top. Brave as can be, no thought of the drop. Look here, dear frog, climb on my back. I'll get us back down on the track. Harry climbed down. The frog jumped with glee. Thank you, kind mouse, for rescuing me. See, the frog is jumping with glee here. He's very happy because he's now rescued. So what did Harry say to him? You should not thank me. Just help someone too. That will be better for me and for you. But why? Said the frog. That doesn't help you. If I help someone else, then who will help you? So Harry explained him. When you help someone else, it makes you feel grand. So when someone needs help, just give them a hand. Thank you, kind mouse. You have made my day. And if you don't mind, I'll be on my way. While hopping back home to his green lily pad, the frog saw a mole who was looking quite sad. Now we see how the act of kindness goes a long way. Harry helped the little frog. Now what do you think the frog will do after seeing the sad mole? I'm sure he will help him too. What's wrong? Asked the frog. Why the big frown? This hole, said the mole. My son has fallen down. Oh dear, said the frog. Now what can we do? Don't worry, Mrs. Mole, I will help you. The frog found a stick and the mole found some string. They made a big fishing rod to pull out the young thing. See, they pulled out the young thing. Baby mole climbed out and his mom jumped with glee. Thank you, cried frog, for rescuing me. You shouldn't thank me, just help someone too. That will be better for me and for you. But why? Said the mole. That doesn't help you. If I help someone else, then who will help you? When you help someone else, it makes you feel grand. So when someone needs help, just give them a hand. The mole carried on with her son in tow. The moonlight twinkled with a beautiful glow. Quickly, young man, you should be in bed, the mole said to her son while resting his head. What next do you think they see now? But wait, said the mole. Whatever is that upside down in a tree hung a very grumpy bat? Excuse me, Mr. Bat, why are you so sad? Whatever it is, it can't be that bad. It is, said the bat, with a cry and a quiver. It's my hat, you see. It's fell in the river. Oh no, said the mole. It looks like it is stuck. We'll get it back with a plan and some luck. Thanks, said the bat. But what can we do? It's way too far down for me and for you. The mole said, I'll hold my son and you hold me. We can't do it with one, but we might with three. See, they have a plan now. They've made a chain. Bat is holding the mole is holding the sun, and the sun has taken out the hat. By helping each other, they have done the act. The mole held her son and he held the bat. Before they knew it, they had rescued the hat. What a great plan! The bat jumped with glee. Thank you, kind mole, for rescuing it for me. You shouldn't thank me, just help someone too. That will be better for me and for you. But why? Said the bat. That does not help you. If I help someone else, then who will help you? When you help someone else, it makes you feel grand. So when someone needs help, just give them a hand. Very well, said the bat. I'll make sure I do. Good night, Mrs. Mole, and to your son too. Everyone is sleeping, so cozy and snug. The cows, the birds, and even the bugs. It's night time, everyone is sleeping. The very next day, Harry got home from his walk. But Harry was sad, not happy, not glad. What's wrong? Asked his wife. Why the big frown? You are normally so happy, but now you seem down. There is no one to help, said Harry the mouse. Not a frog, not a cat, not a mole, not a ground. When I help someone else, it makes me feel grand. When there is no one to help, I can't lend a hand. Harry's wife said, Come here, I have a surprise. Because you are so helpful, so kind and so wise. You see, Harry, that frog you helped? Well, he helped a mole. And also a cat. Then the cat, she helped a dog and also a rat. The dog helped an owl and the owl helped a bird. The bird helped a cow, in fact, the whole herd. Do you see how the act of kindness went along? Everyone is helping each other now. Now everyone is here just to see you. The frog, the mole and the bat too. All this kindness is spreading, you see. Now we are all happy as can be. Wow, said Harry. Look what I have done. I started all this by just helping one. See, they have a party for the mouse Harry. Surprise! On the crest of a wave and the wisp of the wind, Harry the happy mouse had done wonderful things. The end. What a wonderful book. I'm sure you have loved this one. Continue reading such books. Continue watching my videos. Bye little friends. See you.